Hey, Dr. Monte here with Geek Rehab. I'm going to show you a taping job with Kinesiology tape for, typically it's called Gamekeeper's thumb. But for this instance, it is for, what do you do?
Crochet.
Crocheting thumb. So you get a Kinesiology tape, cut about 4.5 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. You take that, fold it in half, and you cut it in half, longwise, okay, like so. And you want to make sure that you round the edges, okay, just so it doesn't snag on anything as easily as if they weren't rounded. Okay, then you also take the folded part of it, okay, and you want to cut a little bit off of each edge so you still have the center attached. Okay, do that to both of them. Okay, just like that. Then you take the injured thumb, there's the injured thumb, and you want to peel off the center portion of the tape, peel it back, try not to touch the tape. So you take that center portion, no tension on the part. You put it right there in the web space, okay? And then you take one and you bring it around. This joint is the affected joint we're trying to do, right here, okay? Your MCP joint. You go around that joint to try to get it secure. You do about 50% tension, and then you lay it down without any tension. And then you take the other one, same thing, you just go across the other direction of that joint. Again, about 50% tension. Lay that down without any tension, okay? Then you take the other piece that you had, you wondered where that went, and you go right over that joint, okay, right there. Take one part of it, and you see how that folded up? You want to try to get that to stick down. There you go. All right, so now you come back and around and down along the side of that first one, okay? You can tape it to tape, but you really want to try to get some skin contact because it sticks better to skin. Come around here, go around, thumb again, you keep the thumb fairly relaxed, and you come down around there. It's okay if you have too much tape, it's better to have too much than too little. All right, and you just kind of tape that thumb, that MCP joint right there, from both directions, trying to support it from going up, going down. Just give it a support. How's that feel?
Works.
Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. There you go.